Hello everyone, this is Mar from GuideWise, and today I'm going to show you how to use noise cancellation on AirPods 4. I hope this video helps, and don't forget to like it and also subscribe to the channel. So the first thing, guys, we're going to do is go ahead and open settings. Once we open settings, the first thing we're going to see is our AirPods if they are connected. So I'm going to go ahead and tap right here, and right under your AirPods, you're going to see 4 different types of listening modes. Right here, you have transparency, adaptive, and then you have noise cancellation. This noise cancellation is a very crazy feature because whenever you turn it on, you're gonna feel like you cannot hear absolutely nothing. I think it's like kind of like white noise that sounds or plays on your AirPods. So like any type of noise or bugs are muted whenever you're talking to someone or you're simply listening to music. Now that we have noise cancellation on, the only thing you have to do is to make a call to whoever you want to. In this case, let's go ahead and call my mom. And if my AirPods are connected to noise cancellation, then she will not be able to hear the noise around me, and the same goes for me. I hope this video helped you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. It really means a lot to us. Bye!